मैं हर दिन YouTube पे एक नई वीडियो देखता हूँ कि स्टार्ट योर एआई हसल एंड अर्न $1 million। फिर मैं देखता हूँ एक वीडियो कि कैसे यू आर मिसिंग आउट ऑन $1 million और $1 billion इफ यू आर नॉट लर्निंग एआई। इस तरह की वीडियोस YouTube पे भरी हुई है, बट द सिंपल ट्रूथ 99% ऑफ दीज वीडियोस आर फेक। सो व्हाट डिड आई डू? मैंने एक्चुअली में जाके सर्च किया इंटरनेट पे, वेरियस सोर्सेज पे जाके कंफर्म किया और मुझे ये 5 तरीके मिले हैं जिनसे आप जेन्युइनली पैसे कमा सकते हो। बट हाँ, इसमें एक चीज जरूर है, दीज आर नॉट वन ट्रिक वेज टू अर्न मनी। पेशेंस रखनी पड़ती है, बट दीज 5 वेज दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, ये जेन्युइनली काम करते हो, इनसे एक्चुअली में पैसे कमा सकते हो। एंड अगेन, डे 1 पे नहीं तो डे 7 पे नहीं तो एटलीस्ट डे 15 पे यू विल स्टार्ट अर्निंग मनी। बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर स्किल्स, the way you reach out to people, and obviously patience. First, LinkedIn ghostwriting. Now see, if you're a founder, आपके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आप रोज बैठ के लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट करो, बट एज अ फाउंडर यू ऑल्सो नो कि अगर आप लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट नहीं करोगे तो आप कस्टमर्स को और ब्रांड्स को और क्लाइंट्स को रीच आउट भी नहीं कर पाओगे। सो व्हाट्स द ट्रेड ऑफ? द ट्रेड ऑफ इज कि यू get someone to write your post for you, and that's exactly where LinkedIn ghostwriting comes into play. You as a person, अब आप एक फ्रीलांसर हो या पार्ट टाइम पोस्ट राइटर हो, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? आप सिंपली फाउंडर्स को रीच आउट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज सी फाउंडर्स आर वेरी बिजी। सी ऑब्वियसली नाउ योर क्वेश्चन इज कि अभी मेरा पोर्टफोलियो तो बना नहीं है, तो कोई फाउंडर हमें पोस्ट लिखने के लिए क्यों देगा? दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन। सो व्हाट यू डू इज, आप लिंक्डइन पे बहुत सारे फाउंडर्स की लिस्ट क्रिएट करते हो, हर एक फाउंडर की जो पोस्ट स्ट्रक्चर है उसको स्टडी करते हो, हर एक फाउंडर के लिए मान लो आपने 5 नई पोस्ट ड्राफ्ट करी, ठीक है? तो दैट्स योर सैंपल पोस्ट ड्राफ्ट डॉक्यूमेंट दैट यू हैव। आपका अपना पोर्टफोलियो होगा, अपना रिज्यूमे होगा, वो तो आप साथ में रखते ही हो। आपने कुछ सैंपल फाउंडर्स लिए, उन सबके लिए 5 नई पोस्ट बनाई, ठीक है? और आप क्या करते हो? आप रैंडमली स्मॉल बिजनेसेस और स्टार्टअप के फाउंडर्स को रीच आउट करते हो और उनको अपना पोर्टफोलियो दिखाते हो, जिसमें आप अपना रिज्यूमे दिखा सकते हो, आपने जो सैंपल पोस्ट क्रिएट करी है वो दिखा सकते हो, एंड जस्ट टेल देम कि यार भाई हम एक छोटी सी कॉल रख सकते हैं। एंड इफ द फाउंडर लाइक्स योर पोर्टफोलियो, यू ग्रो देयर लिंक्डइन, यू प्रूव योरसेल्फ बाय ग्रोइंग देयर लिंक्डइन। आपने मान लो छोटे छोटे फाउंडर्स का लिंक्डइन ग्रो किया, आपके पोर्टफोलियो में जेन्युइन क्लाइंट्स ऐड हो गए, आप उन क्लाइंट्स को यूज करके और बड़े फाउंडर्स को रीच करते हो, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट मल्टीप्लाइज, राइट? सो इफ यू हैव अ गुड फाउंडर बेस, you can easily earn anywhere from 1 to 5 lakh per month, right? So LinkedIn ghostwriting is one of the simplest and most amazing ways to earn money with AI. आपको जो AI से आप कंटेंट राइट करवाते हो फाउंडर्स के लिए, उसमें आपको ऑब्वियसली ये ध्यान देना है कि वो उनके पोस्ट के स्ट्रक्चर और उनकी ऑडियंस के हिसाब से क्यूरेटेड हो। Second, AI automation. Now, first, how would you start? So you learn one automation platform, be it N8N, Zapier, Make. Then you just learn any AI model API, be it ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever, right? And then you pick up business problem. So say for example, there's a receptionist at a dental clinic. So what are the usual repetitive tasks they have to do every day? Be it appointment reminders, sending leads through WhatsApp, that kind of stuff. So you automate that part. You make a video of it. And how do you build your portfolio, right? You reach out to small business founders or small startups, and then you do stuff for them. And obviously, see, since you are only starting, you cannot charge a lot of money, or you can basically charge no money at all, right? So you do stuff for a lot of small businesses, you build your portfolio, you post on LinkedIn about what you have done, right? And then you can start reaching out to big businesses and automate their repetitive tasks as well, and that's when you start earning money, right? Third, AI influencer creation. Now see, I'm not talking about those vulgar influencers you see on Instagram that are just milking content for views. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about genuinely helping people through your AI influencer. Be it you can make an AI fitness coach, an AI educator, or an AI stock analyst or something like that, and you can teach people something, right? See, this is one of those ways where you don't have to reach out to a lot of people, but you have to be very punctual with posting on Instagram or YouTube or whatever platform you're using, right? I would suggest Instagram. That is the most popular platform for influencers these days. So what you do is you pick any niche, be it, again, like I said, AI stock analyst, AI educator, or AI fitness coach. You post content every day, right? And obviously when your content reaches a certain threshold, businesses will reach out to you for sponsorship and all that stuff, right? And that's exactly when you can start earning money. So again, you won't see returns on day 1 or even day 10 or even day 15, but if you're punctual and your content is good, you can start earning money, and you do not even have to face the camera, because all of that stuff is done by your AI influencer, right? Yeah. So now one question would be, sir, I made an AI influencer, but now how do I actually make scripts? So you can Using ChatGPT wisely, and then there's using ChatGPT blindly. You will use ChatGPT wisely here. After you have created your AI avatar or AI influencers, obviously you need a script. You can obviously use ChatGPT to generate a script, but you have to make refinements to it so that the content looks humanized. Right, so you have to make sure of that, because otherwise your channel won't grow unless people feel some form of connection to you, right? Because since you are not using your own face to make videos, your script should be such that your videos look natural. Fourth one is AI consulting. Now, see, this sounds like a way that would require a lot of experience, like consulting. Oh, that must require at least 20 years of experience. No. What you are doing here is you are mastering a tool, be it ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Notebook, LM. You master one tool. See, when you master something, you are able to see better than the average person that where can that tool be applied. So for example, if I mastered ChatGPT and I reach out to a business and I study their schema, I can understand much better than the average person on how ChatGPT can help them, because I've mastered the tool. I know its pros and cons very deeply. And that's exactly what you will do. You will master the tool. This is a way which also requires reaching out. You will reach out to small businesses, you will reach out to startup owners, you will reach out to small shops, and you will see where can I use the mastery of my tool and how can I consult them that they can use this tool to not just automate. Obviously, automate is one segment, automating, but where can they use this tool, for better sales? Right? For example, you can make ads for them, or maybe you can automate something for them. Maybe you can generate logos for them. There's a variety of stuff you can do. Obviously, that depends upon the tool you have mastered. But once you have mastered a tool, you can consult a business much better than the average person on how they can use that tool to be more profitable. Right? Now, again, you won't see returns on day 1, you won't see returns on day 7, but after a while, you have built your portfolio, posted on LinkedIn about how you have helped businesses. People and businesses will reach out to you and you will start making a lot of money. And the last one is AI UGC ads. Now, see, this is one of the most popular ways. I think many of you might already know about AI UGC ads. We have a product. Say, I have the iPhone 13 Pro. Right now, this is just an example. You won't be directly making ads for Apple, obviously, but this is just an example. Right? Let's just say an iPhone 13 Pro is launched, or let's just say, iPhone 18 Pro is coming, right? So iPhone 18 Pro is coming and you are someone who is very good with tools like Google Flow Studio and Sedans. So you understand all the ways you can use that tool to make a very good ad for them. Again, this is not going to be a real life scenario at the start, but let's just say I reach out to Apple and I say that, hey, I'm going to make an ad for your new iPhone 18 Pro, right? And you use this Google Flow Studio or the Sedans model to use AI to basically create an ad for them. And let's just say they like the ad. Right, so that is basically equal to a lot of money. But again, it won't happen at the start. You have to reach out to small businesses who are looking for people to create ads for them. Or you can just, what the best thing about small businesses and small founders is that when you reach out to them, you do not send a message like, hey, I want to create an ad for you, or hey, I want to automate something for you, tell you regarding something. You show them what you have done. You directly send them your portfolio, you directly send them your resume, and you directly send them a sample of what you can do for them, right? Because see, startup founders and business founders, they don't want to waste any time. They want their work to be done like this, right? So you show them your sample work, and if they find it interesting, they will, get back to you. You can make sure of that, because small businesses and startup founders are very, very much looking for enthusiastic people, for people who do not waste time and just do the work for them. So if you do the right work for them, they will get back to you, right? And when they do get back to you, you have something more to your portfolio. So you reach out to a lot of people, you have a lot of stuff in your portfolio, you post on LinkedIn, you post on all the relevant platforms, you have grown your business. Right. So this reaching out and building portfolio is a thing that's common to nearly all the ways here. And again, you always have to remember that you do not reach out to business founders by sending hey, I'm going to do something for you. You show them your portfolio, you show them what you can do for them, and you show them a sample video or a sample assignment where you have studied their business and done something for them. So you send everyone a personalized message as well that, hey, so for example, hey, I noticed some flaw in your customer relations management, then I suggest that you can use this thing to make it better. And when they see that message, they will be very much happy and they will get back to you, right? So these were the 5 ways to make money with AI. And a small disclaimer here, these are not one trick ways to success. You have to repeatedly do the stuff, do the mundane stuff, reach out to people, maybe get rejected a lot, but you will start seeing returns if you are consistent. Thank you.